In this last chapter, advanced microcontroller, to designing of the microcontroller based embedded system for the measurement humidity, temperature and the pH sensor. We will see the first PIC microcontroller to interface the or measurement for the humidity sensor. First one is the block diagram of the interfacing microcontroller based the system measurement for the humidity. First one block is the humidity sensor SYHS 2020. Second one is the signal conditioner. Third one is the voltage compensator. Fourth one is the AVR at fourth one is the PIC microcontroller 16F877, and fifth one is the LCD, sixth one is the power supply unit. Then first humidity sensor SYHS 20220. It is known as that the variety of the humidity sensor are available, but the smart humidity sensor model SYHS 220 is the most precise. Therefore, it is always recommended to use of the humidity sensor to design and the embedded system for the humidity measurement. It provides output in form of the voltage in the millivolt. Then second one is the voltage compensator. In the voltage compensator, while the designing of the signal conditioning circuit, it is assumed that the SYHS 220 used as the previous humidity sensor. It provides the DC voltage at the room condition also. Then third one is the signal conditioner. Employing the SYHS 220 as a humidity sensor, the humidity within the environment is the sensed into the EMF in the millivolt with the range from the 0 millivolt to the room conditioner 900 millivolt for the 90% RH. The signal conditioner is designing using the instrumentation amplifier when gain can be the adjusted to the decided the range of the humidity is measured. Then fourth one is the PIC microcontroller. In the PIC microcontroller, it is the RISC processor and Harvard architecture. We also known about the PIC microcontroller in first chapter. Then fifth one is the LCD to display humidity. In order to ensure the digital data readout, the smart LCD from the Hitachi of the 16:2 lines is used. The LCD is configured in time delay mode. The 8 data lines are connected to the microcontroller along with the 3 control lines RS, RW and enable. The separate provision is made for the contrast adjustment. The LCD software module is designed to the handshake the data as well as command to the LCD synchronize operation. Then next block is the power supply. The proper power supply is required for this. The embedded system is designed employing the 3 terminals voltage regulator from the 78XS and 79XS series are used in the for the positive or negative power supply. The power supply unit is designed to provide the plus 5 volt, plus 9 volt and the minus 9 volt outputs. In this circuit diagram, we shows the LCD humidity sensor interfaced and the minimum system of the PIC microcontroller. It is the flow chart. That the flow chart include the header files, then initialize the global variable, then next the main function to through the local variable in the super loop, then initialize LCD. After initialize LCD, read the ADC of the PIC microcontroller or 8 mega microcontroller, average the data, then calibration and the display data for the return super loop. As well as the same as about this the AVR microcontroller, only controller are the change, all blocks are the same, but the circuit diagram are the change. For the AVR microcontroller, it is the interfaced for the temperature sensor and the temperature sensor AD590, and this is the flow chart of the this is the designing for the embedded system for the temperature measurement system. It is also same as about the pH sensor.